Bednarz, and I'm here today to talk about fall container gardening. So in addition to fall mums, we also grow a crop of colorful fall annuals just for the fall. And I'm going to show you some of those now. So when we talk about container gardening, we do the thriller, filler, and spiller. The thriller is the more upright plant. A few of those that we have just for fall that we really love to use. One of them is this carex grass. It's brown. It almost looks, maybe you would think it's dead, but it's not. It's meant to look like this, and it's great for fall. Another one is ornamental millet. This is one of my favorites for fall containers as well. We also grow a lot of different varieties of celosia, which are really fun. There's different colors and leaf colors as well. And some of the blooms are really unique. Another one that you might not think of is a marigold. I love marigolds almost more than the fall mum. They really last so long into fall and can really take the frost, which a lot of these annuals are grown for the fall because of that, because they can take a light frost in the cooler temperatures and do really well. For fillers, I like even using a perennial coral bells. They come in so many beautiful colors and leaf shapes that really complement the flowers. So always consider using some coral bells. Other fillers that we like to use are asters. They come in great colors too. We use the ornamental cabbage and kale. Dusty miller's a great one, can really take those cool temperatures too, and great foliage contrast. Ornamental peppers are so much fun to use, and they come in a lot of different colors with the peppers and the leaves. And then for some spiller ideas, petunias are always a good one. Lots of different color options with those. We also like our different, sometimes these are even perennial spillers. This is a creeping jenny, or even just a variegated ivy. And then you can also pop in some pansies into your containers too. Great fall plants. You can also consider using some natural elements, or some faux floral sprays can also be added into your container gardens that add a nice touch for fall. You could look for natural elements like red twig dogwoods, or you could cut the tops off of corn stalks and insert those as kind of some nice fillers into your containers too. Scarecrows are always fun. And also consider adding in some Indian corn or some little small gourds, small pumpkins. Those look great added in. So another tip is, in the spring and summer, we plant our containers with a little more space and give them room to grow. In the fall, the season's not as long, so you can plant them a little closer. We do host fall container workshops where you can come here and plant as part of a class with a group of friends. Those are usually hosted around the first week of September, so you can check our events calendar for that one. And if you're short on time, or you really are just really unsure of what to plant, we do have the custom container planting service, so let one of our staff know and we'd be happy to plant your containers for you. As always, if you have any questions, stop by the garden center. We'll be happy to help.